Hello, my dear cute little ones. How are you all? I'm super happy to introduce the UKG syllabus from today, and I'm going to start with a moral story. Yes, this story is about a tiger, and we are going to read the story to know how foolish he behaved. These are part of the quarterly syllabus of the academic year 2021 for the upper kindergarten UKG. So observe all the story. You'll be getting questions from this. I'll read out the story for you in detail. Okay? The Foolish Tiger. Long ago, in a big forest, there lived a tiger. Where do the tigers live? They live in thick forests because they are wild animals. They are very dangerous. So where do they live? They live in big, thick forests. He had no brain and was very lazy. What was the tiger? It was very lazy to move around. It doesn't do any work. At the same time, he don't know what to do. He doesn't have a brain also. One day, the tiger felt very hungry. He was hungry on a particular day. He looked around for some animal for his food. What should the tiger do if he is hungry? He has to go kill an animal and eat. It's not like we go into the kitchen, cook some food and have it on our plate. It has to kill an animal and have his food. What did the tiger do? He saw a hare. Wow, it found a hare. That means a small rabbit, at least a small rabbit. He slowly reached the place where the hare was playing. It wanted to catch the rabbit, kill it and eat. Okay? What did he do? He slowly walked to the hare. The hare saw the tiger and began to run in fear. When anyone sees a tiger, what do? Oh my God, they are feared and then they run from that place. That's what the rabbit did. The tiger also ran after it and caught it. Finally, the tiger caught the rabbit. Just as the tiger raised his clawed paws to kill the hare, he saw a deer. What happened? It was about to kill the hare. It saw a deer passing by. So he felt the hare is little bit small and the deer is little bit bigger. That means it can fill its tummy more with the deer rather than the hare. So what did he do? He left the hare and ran after the deer. So it was a very lucky rabbit, right? What did it do? It escaped from the tiger because the tiger wanted to kill the deer instead of the rabbit. It was lucky that day. You can see in the picture, the tiger was having rabbit in its hand, but it was looking at the deer. So it wanted to kill the deer instead of the rabbit. The deer ran off with long leaps. The deer is a bigger animal compared to the rabbit, so it could run little faster. The tiger could not catch up with the deer. Why? Because the tiger is a lazy animal. Here the tiger is lazy, so it could not run fast to catch the deer. So he gave up the chase because it was lazy. It could not run along the deer. So the deer also escaped. Lucky deer. What a fool I am. I left my prey which was in my hand. Now I am having nothing to eat, said the tiger sadly. So what was the fault here? The tiger left the rabbit and could not catch the deer. So now it has nothing to eat. It's still hungry. There's no food for the tiger. Oh no. So what is the moral here? A bird in hand is worth two in a bush. If it could have eaten the hare, it could at least fill half of his tummy. But what did it do? It left the hare and went to the deer, which he could not catch. So no food at all. finally, what was the fault of the tiger? It left the one in his hand for something bigger. A bird in your hand is worth two in a bush. So the meaning of the moral is you should be happy with what you have. You should not run behind something bigger. Okay? You should be happy with your mommy and daddy. You should be happy with whatever you have, your pencil, your box. You should not run for something big. Okay? So, this was the moral story of the UKG syllabus for the quarterly. Alright, you might get questions from this story. Keep revising the story and also at the same time learn how to tell the story like me. Okay? Tell the story out after you understand it. See the video again and again, and then you'll be able to tell the story out very happily. Okay? Until then, stay home, stay safe. I'll bring more videos for the UKG syllabus also. Alright? And talk to you soon.